कोरोना से जिंदगी को देखने का नजरिया जरूर बदला है। 104.8 इश्क FM पर हम लाएंगे #NewTomorrow, एक ऐसे बिजनेस लीडर से इंट्रोडक्शन जो एक स्टेप ले रहे हैं टू मेक अ बेटर वर्ल्ड अपने विजन से। सो लेट्स मीट देम।
Hi, I'm Girish, and the Chief Executive Officer of Club Oxyon and Oxyon Resorts, our two brands, part of the Bobby Chemanur Group. We are part of the vacation ownership business, usually termed as holiday memberships, which by far is one wonderful and exciting business of creating happy family experiences through a high value for money, one-time payment option, which secures a lifetime of holidays for the member family and with no recurring charges. I'm excited to be on 104.8 Ishq and truly commend you guys for having conceived this initiative of a new tomorrow. We are amongst the most affected of industries, the hospitality industry, in this global crisis. But I must also tell you that innovation and the desire and determination to emerge is what matters for any business, no matter what. In that, we are at an equal playing level. We have our business plan outlined and in fact continue to remain active even in the lockdown period, when it's assumed as all gloom for the travel and holiday business. The new tomorrow, therefore, is one of opportunity for the ones who seek an inclusive approach and high on innovation and execution, people-centric, but not people-dependent. Rather, a major shift to 100% technology adaptation for all sales and service interfacing, which is unheard of, in the vacation ownership business. A lean team, well cared for, with a high level of engagement and visible value addition. People will truly value the good things, family holidays being one of them. Domestic holidays will surge, local culture and values will gain prominence. We plan to kickstart with a campaign, in fact, your first holiday, your dream destination. With the world order changing, families will look at this as a new life and a new opportunity to start all over again afresh. So the first break will be as refreshing as our first holiday, and what better a place than God's own country, Kerala. So you're all welcome to Oxyon Resorts at God's own country in Kerala. Create a strong product line with tremendous value for money for the holiday prospect and let it work its magic through the online space. Implies the world becomes our market. Focus on the quality and service delivery to delight customers. Remain light on asset and continue to play the aggregator role, thereby also rapidly expanding the destination options for members, but with rigid service parameters and controls that we know will deliver what our members seek.
104.8 इश्क FM सुनो और हमारे साथ #NewTomorrow बुनो। इश्क